Okay, the next thing that we're going to do in here is use the horizontal type mask tool. Now you've heard the word mask as part of quick mask, okay? And the best way to do this is to get a photo, and I would like you guys to open SFMS Front from Poland Pickup and open with Adobe Photoshop. And this is the photo you get. Now, with this type mask tool, it's important that you choose a font that is thick. So I want everybody to choose Impact. Next thing you're going to do is go ahead and start off with your font at about 150, and we'll adjust it from there. The color is irrelevant here, okay? Now, once you click, notice that it turns red, like it's in quick mask mode. Go ahead and type SFMS. All right, now, once you type it, this is where we need to now adjust how big our letters are and where they are. So I'm going to select this. You can click and drag. You can also Command A to select all. And I'm going to go ahead and increase my font size to 200. Now, I like the width on this, and I like the fact that it's kind of including the name of the school here. However, I do think that it could be bigger or in a better place. So there's two things I'm going to do. Number one, look here in your character panel. Remember, if you don't know, have your character panel open, go to Window and Character. Right here is your vertical scale. Go ahead and set that at 150. Now, if yours is like mine, your letters are now off of the picture, off of the photo. If you hold down your Command key, notice that your arrow, your mouse, becomes an arrow. This arrow allows you to move your text, but you have to move it while you're still in this quick mask mode. Otherwise, it makes the selection and you have to start all over. Once you are satisfied with the size, the font style, the vertical scale, and the position, and remember you can change the position by holding down the Command key. I'm actually going to move mine just a little bit. All right. Then you can click on your Move tool. Now, look what it does. All this has is marching ants, okay? Couple things that I want to point out to you. Number one, if I copy and paste, notice that it puts it in a new layer, okay? So you can see what is there. That's pretty neat how it uses the photo as your text. If you wanted to stay in this photo, you could apply a layer style where you bevel and emboss, or put a drop shadow, or where'd it go? Stroke. You could just put an outline. Okay? Any of those make for a good photo or a good example of the text. Now, if I'm going to use the outline, I might want to go ahead and use Spring Forest colors. So I have to click on the word stroke and go to my color picker, and I need to choose kind of a royal blue, and I'll click OK. You can choose how big you want it or how narrow you want it. I think I like it at the 3 where it is. I'm going to click OK. Now, I do want you to see, notice if the background was there, this would still make an interesting photo, maybe not so much with the stroke, but it would have with the bevel and emboss. Or if I stay on this layer, I can hold down my Control key, choose Duplicate Layer, and then right here, see where it says Document? I can choose my cool text document to duplicate into, and now look where this is. Oops. Hold on, I can't find my... It duplicated it, but it's attaching it somewhere, and I'm not sure where. Hang on. Okay, there. It's not on gold. It's not on silver. Ah, there it is right there. It was just so small I couldn't see it. So now I can move it there. I could Command T a little bit, make it a little bit bigger if I needed to. There we go. Now we've got SFMS using a background image right there.